Welcome to ICRA Juvenile e-learning platform. Microsoft Photos keyboard shortcuts. Spacebar, in collection, equals select an item and enter selection mode. Enter, from selection mode, equals select an item, while in selection mode. Spacebar, viewing a photo, equals show or hide commands. Spacebar, viewing a video, equals play or pause the video. Arrow keys, in collection, equals scroll up, down, left, or right. Left or right arrow keys, on a single item or slideshow, equals show the next or previous item. Arrow keys, on a zoomed photo, equals move within the photo. Control plus or minus or equals zoom in or out when viewing a photo. Control 0 equals reset zoom on a photo. ESC equals return to previous screen. Control S equals save. Control P equals print. Control C equals copy. Control Alt, viewing or editing, equals rotate a photo. E, viewing a photo, equals enhance a photo. Control Z, editing, equals undo changes. Control Y, editing, equals redo changes. Controlled, editing, equals view original. Shift arrow keys equals resize crop or selective focus area. Control arrow keys equals move crop or selective focus area. F5, viewing an item, equals start a slideshow. Alt enter equals view file info. Control L equals set as lock screen. Control N, in albums view, equals create a new album. Control Alt, in albums view, equals remove album. Control D equals add selected items to album. Control U equals remove selected items from album.